Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about a free month of service promotion that Boost Mobile has going on. So this is one of the promotions they have going on currently, and alright. So now that we are on the fine details, it'll say bring your own phone free month. So it says valid through March 29th. So you almost have a whole month to take care of or take advantage of this deal. So it says valid to new or porting customers. So same thing. Like I said, most of these deals, 99% of the chance or times is going to be for porting or new customers. So it says available to new and porting customers. So this is for single line and primary line on family plan. So it's only for one line, or the primary line on family plan. After the first month payment, one-time credit equal to the first base month MRC will apply towards Boost service. So you don't just go to Boost Mobile and just start service for nothing. It's gonna basically, you bring your phone, you'll pay the first month, let's say $50. You'll pay your first monthly $50 bill, but then on the second month, you'll get a credit of that same amount. You'll get a credit of $50. So you'll pay your first month, but the second month is free. So it's kind of like you buy your first month, second month's free. That's basically all it's saying. And that'll go towards your Boost Mobile service. It says payment for additional services due each month in advance to avoid cancellation. So if you're paying extra service, let's say a $5 in Mexico or $5 international, or insurance, $7 insurance, or whatever it is, you will have to pay that. This is just for the base service. So if your bill is $55, let's say, but your basic plan is just $50, you'll have to come up with the $5. They will just give you the $50 is what it's saying. Says plan restarts during the first and second month, may shorten and delay the free month period. Select market retailer only. Excludes BoostMobile.com national retailer. So same thing, guys. This is gonna be a in-store promotion only. You cannot get this online. Like I said, I kind of do like this. Boost Mobile's trying to keep afloat their dealers. Kind of gets traffic going to the stores, which I kind of like. Keeps the local economy good and all that stuff. Now with everything going on right now, it's kind of smart for them to start doing it maybe online only. But like I said, they don't want to do that because that would take away from the core business of the locals that you have in your store. So it says BYOD available for select devices for activation on Boost Mobile network. That's another thing, guys. Not every phone, just because you have a random phone laying around, it's going to work with Boost Mobile. Remember, you have to go to Boost Mobile BYOD. Just look up on Google, just Boost Mobile BYOD list, and they'll tell you all the phones are compatible. So if your phone's compatible, then you can go ahead and take advantage of this. It says if combined with $40 a month prepaid 6-month plan, credit for an additional month will be provided. Wow. So if you're doing the shrink, or the shrink plan, you will get an additional month of credit for that, which is great. So I know you need 6 months to get a discount. It's basically you'll have 2 months. So if you pay for 1 month, the additional month that Boost Mobile gives you for free will count towards that, which is great. Unlimited services are on network only. By purchasing, installing, or activating a SIM card, you agree to abide by Boost Mobile's terms and conditions. Network experience may vary. Basically saying, yeah, you're not always going to have great service. Depends where you go, and that's all for all carriers. Doesn't matter even if you have Verizon. Verizon doesn't work 100% of the network, even though it's the best network. Other services features, including MMS and some pre-installed applications, may not function or be available. So that's a little depends on the phone. It's saying that basically some MMS messages might not even work, and pre-installed applications, which is a little wary. But I've never really had issues with MMS doing BYODs or anything like that. So may not function or be available with Boost Mobile services. Phones must be compatible and unlocked domestically by your current carrier before switching. Lost or stolen phones are not accepted. So right there, it's saying basically, like I was telling you guys, the phone has to be unlocked before you bring it. It has to be good and be able to be used on Boost Mobile's network before you even do this. So if the phone's locked, let's say it's a straight talk phone, it's not going to work on Boost Mobile. Make sure the phone's unlocked. So if you have an iPhone and let's say it was Verizon, you paid it off, it's unlocked, it's most likely going to work with Boost Mobile. But like I said, check with their BYOD. Now, if the phone was lost or stolen, reported or blacklisted, it's not going to work on Boost Mobile. So they're saying don't even try it. So pretty cool. But let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. I am working on getting some phones into the studio to do more unboxings and reviews. So let me know. Hopefully more phones come out so I can do those videos. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.